Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to set up Captcha real quick. So what you want to be doing first of all is entering in the account details of whichever account you want to use. So the email, password and a proxy. And for the proxy you can either use residential or data center, and you can either use IP auth or user pass. Any of those will work. So here I've already pre-filled in a burner account that I have, and I'll just click add account. And from there it will be added over here and the status will be on pending. So before you do anything, before you try and run it, you will have to log in first, and to do that you'll use either one of these two buttons. So the difference between the two, well, I should have said both of them are performing the login procedure, but the difference between the two is that the mail button is auto-filling everything, so your email and your password, everything will be done, and the only time you will need to do anything is at the end when it hits the security prompt, which it probably should due to logging in on a proxy. So I'll show you the mail one, and if the mail one doesn't work for you, then you can always use the password, the lock one, which is where you do it by yourself, or you can do it completely manually using an extension which manages proxies, so like Switchy Sharp. So I'll click on the mail button now, and it will launch a Chromium browser, and once the page fully loads it will start autofilling and logging in for me. And like so, I hit the security page, so I'll just confirm my number. There we go, and after that it will log in and it will hit the Gmail page and it should close by itself. And once you've done that, you'll see the status on completed, and in the logs you should also see authentication successful. So after that, now before you can run or anything, you'll have to close this and reopen it again, and that will likely be fixed in a future update, but for now that's what you have to do because the task won't start otherwise. And now that you've reopened it, like, you're ready to start. So either to start, you'll select any of the accounts that you want to start, or you can use the top button here and it will select everything that you've got in there. And after that you just click start, and you'll see running here now. And once you do that, you'll see search for previous session, and because I've used this Gmail before, it has a session already, so it has session restored. But what yours should say if you're running it for the first time is that there was no session found and it's created a new one. And once that's done, you'll see it initializing sub-processors 2, and that means that everything's working fine and you're good to go. So from there you'll just leave everything running. And finally, this third button here is for testing one clicks. So you'd open it and it'll launch in another Chromium browser, and it will load this page here where you'll click the button and also Captcha, and that's how you can check. And that should be everything. So after that, you're ready to run.